Hello! In this video I'm gonna show you how to create your own schedule for Do Not Disturb mode on your Galaxy A55 5G. Let's do this. So from the main screen we have to go to Settings, then Notifications and Do Not Disturb. And here you can see my two schedules, sleeping and work, and we want to add another one, so we are clicking on a plus, add schedule, and here we can name it. For example, free time. All of us want and need free time, so I think it would be helpful. And we can choose the day that this schedule would be working, so it would be Friday, of course, if it's free time. So Friday, and set time. We can change the time of the beginning. So start would be on for example 11, and the end would be at 2. And if you have the hours that you want, you can click done. Okay, so our free time on Friday at 11 till 2 would be the new schedule for Do Not Disturb mode. We can click save. And here we have another schedule for Do Not Disturb mode. We can use all of them at the same time, as you can see, or we can turn them off if we want. For example, this one, and only free time schedule works now. If you find this video helpful, I hope you will visit our other videos from Galaxy A55 5G series, and let's see each other again in one of them. Bye!